Dear snooker fans, players and coaches, welcome to our Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how you can play different positional shots from pink to black, practical guidelines for your snooker improvement. Cue ball below pink ball spot. If I will try to play with the center cue ball or topspin, I will have difficult black ball because of the long distance and thin putting angle. I have to play with the check side, left hand side, and use two cushions positional shot for the black ball into right corner pocket. This would help me to get cue ball at a closer distance and have much easier shot. Another, more difficult version, how you can play pink ball when the cue is below pink ball spot. In my opinion, this shot you can play when you have a big lead and already won the frame. This shot is considered as exhibition shot and you can play it for fun and entertainment. Lots of cue power, three cushions, positional shot for the black into right corner pocket. I can simply play with the topspin roll-in shot because I have natural angle to make position for the black into the right corner pocket. Play it slower than medium pace and you will have easy position for the black ball. Same position like for the fifth shot, but this time I will play with the stand shot. I think this is more easy and controllable shot than topspin roll-in shot. You don't need to use cushion to make position for the black ball. Because of this reason, cue ball control is much more consistent and predictable. In the second part, pink-black practice routine, you will see more interesting and effective ways how to play correctly around pink and black area. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.